Welcome back to why yo, alright, yo, go on. I know say well, I wanna miss me, like, look at all of this, but I've been absent for like maybe like only 2 months now. Yeah, 2 months. I'm going to blame work. I am back. It's water on the bridge and we are ready to talk about glow after the intro. Welcome back to Journey with Why does it feel so hard now? Like 2 months, but me can't do this. Like, get in the game, Noelle. Get in the game. Welcome back to Journey with Noelle, where we do DIY projects, talk about health, well, fitness, and of course, food. Now, today we're gonna do, the typical unboxing project. It's a small one today. We are talking about the Quick Lock 60-inch XXL Glow Softbox. Yeah, you guessed it. It's from Glow. So, as you can see, this thing is a monster. Like, I am 5 feet 2 inches in height, and this is 5 feet 60 inches. It's not just only bigger than my head; it's bigger than my entire body. And we're just gonna, go through it and see what this beast is made of. I think sometime last week, but maybe 2-3 weeks ago, a couple friends of mine, a trio, Dav, we went to Wikiwaki Beach to shoot, the Miss Kitana Smith. Check out her IG page. She's an amazing designer, fashion designer that is. And we went to the beach to test this beast out, but too much wind a blow all over the place. We had to lock it back down and wait till it chills a bit. So, after a couple shots, messing around here and there, we decided to take it on to the beach. Strangely, the wind was less breezy on the beach, but up on the top part, when them keep them little part dancing and ting out of Wikiwaki, be a breeze. Umbrella a drama away. I almost fly out. No visa, no plane, no ticket. Just the umbrella alone and carry me into the skies. So we're gonna go through this and look at it and see what's inside. I mean, this is not like the best packaging ever. I mean, the plastic is good, but in no time it can tear up, right? This is what you call high fashion, right? Yeah. Anyways. Alright, so we have the outer diffusion baffle. Yeah, this is the outer diffusion baffle. My fashion is trying to choke me. It came with a quick lock guide. Nothing? Can see it? Yeah? Great? Alright, nice. And of course, I did not read this. It also came with this it's like a dish thing you can put on the inside of the softbox to help control the light some more. So the light will hit this, go back inside the softbox, spread around, then come out through the diffusion baffle and produce all nice soft beauty. And this is the inner baffle, yeah, this one is smaller and it goes inside first, then this if you want that extra soft look. I'm afraid to take it out fully out of the packaging because I'm not sure I'll be able to put it back in. So this is the grid. You know, this assists you with a more directional type of vibe, more directional type of lighting if you don't want it to be spilled and flowing all over the place. The grid. Of course, this is the light itself, right? Shh. Watch your mouth. I think this can't open in here. Like, dude, look at this. Like, seriously, no. My God. Like, Father G. This cannot open in here. It can take up the whole space. This seriously cannot be open in here because I could take up the entire room. Glow Easy is like the new brand from Glow. I mean, this has a parabolic type of look. It's not the deep parabolic that gives the light a longer through. It's more shallow. It has like 16 rib, you know, and that gives it, you know, that eight shape thing there. Yeah. Ooh, my mic. I mean, it looks like an umbrella. If rain is falling, you can probably use it, but it's so much sweeter. Like, too sweet as a softbox. I mean, when we're out by Wiki Waki Beach, we never really get to use it a lot because of the breeze. But what we actually got out of it, you know, what's satisfying. I'll take it through some more, you know, the paces to see what it's truly really and truly made of. I mean, one aspect of it, oh my God, it took like, it took. Where did I do English? At one aspect, it took maybe like 3 of us to handle this thing because of the wind. But we prevailed nonetheless. We prevailed. I always fight with my equipment them anytime me I try to pull it down. See that me I'll mash it up to backside. Always one big tussle and hustle. But I think pulling down of the equipment was a lot easier than actually setting it up. Because all I have to do is take out the light, rest the light, and then manhandle the softbox and boom. Should be ready, right? Not. So remove the diffusion baffle and then realize that it has this locking, twisting mechanism. You have to screw it off first. It's much easier than other softbox that I've owned. Watch it. All I have to do is screw, pull it off, and then pull up, and boom, softbox is close. And of course, I feel really satisfied and victorious. Yes. So I think that's all I have for you today with this, you know, with this Easy Glow unlocking box. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope, you know, you can go and buy it. I probably leave the link in the description below. You know, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to massage the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. And to all my warriors out there, Godspeed. That was not bad. Shit, my porridge. Oh my God. This is my favorite oats porridge. I have what do you call it? I have cranberry and walnuts in it. No, this is a treat. Yeah. Anyways, bye.